Few days back, I shared on my Facebook status, ladies and gentlemen, about military law practitioners. What are military law practitioners? What is their role within the Department of Defense? But more importantly, what are the requirements for one to qualify as a military law practitioner? Today is your lucky day because that's the day that I will be then discussing the topic. Now, who am I talking to? I'm talking to every single South African that just wants information, but more importantly, I'm talking to every single law student that is studying LLB. And my hope is that at the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen, many of you young people would be inspired to consider the Department of Defense as a place wherein you can practice law. Now, allow me to then lay a little foundation before we then discuss this concept of military law practitioners. Now, when we do so, I would have to go back to the Constitution. It says the Defense Force in Section 199 that the Defense Force is the only military force, lawful military force in the country. Now, when you then go a little bit to 201, it says this Defense Force must be structured and managed as a disciplined force. You go a little bit to 202, it says the primary object of this Defense Force is to defend and protect, and defend the Republic, its territorial integrity and its people. It doesn't end there, ladies and gentlemen. It says in accordance with the Constitution and the principles of international law regulating the use of force. Now, in order to comply with these two constitutional provisions, the Defense Force has a group of specialized legal practitioners called military law practitioners. Now, military law practitioners, ladies and gentlemen, work as court functionaries. They can also work to provide operational legal support. They also work to provide legal advice and litigation to the Department of Defense. Now, within the military courts, ladies and gentlemen, who are there to ensure discipline in the military, these military law practitioners can either be judges, they can be prosecutors, they can be defense counsels, but also they can be they can be part of what we call the review councils, who are a group of people that review decisions made by the military courts. But also from a support function, ladies and gentlemen, these military law practitioners, whenever the Department of Defense is employed or the South African National Defense Force is employed, they serve to provide operational legal support. And also they can provide another role, ladies and gentlemen, play another role as providing legal advice whenever the Department of Defense is being sued. Now, these are the different types of legal practitioners or military law practitioners that we find within the Department of Defense. Now, let us look at what are the requirements. One, ladies and gentlemen, in order to function as a military law practitioner, you need to have done your LLB at any recognized institutions of higher learning in the country. So they all have their LLBs. Secondly, ladies and gentlemen, you must be admitted either as an attorney, as an advocate, but also you will then also be required to do military courses. You will be required to do military courses such as your basic military training and other courses. So, ladies and gentlemen, this area is a very unique area, and as you can see, what this group of people are, what is their relation to the Department of Defense, what their role they are playing, but lastly, ladies and gentlemen, the requirements that they need to have. So, thank you very much for taking time to listen to me today. And importantly, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will ensure that exciting topics are discussed. Feel free to share your insights and knowledge with me. Put your comments so that I can hear what is on your mind. But more importantly, ladies and gentlemen, let us walk this journey together. Thank you very much and enjoy.